guys, today's challenge is actually disgusting. I'm making a century egg milkshake.
Yes!
100-year-old egg in a milkshake. WHY. So here's what we got. One legendary egg from hell, some milk to pretend this is normal, and ice cream to trick my taste buds.
Oh my god, why does it smell like
rotten soy sauce and old shoes.
This is the grossest smoothie you'll ever see. I should be arrested. It smells like betrayal and sadness.
Okay, but why does this look like Shrek's protein shake? Cheers to bad decisions, friends.
Okay, if I pass out, tell my mom I went out fighting. Nope. Eat immediately. Nope. That tastes like garbage in a milk bath.
This is what rock bottom looks like, guys. Tell my futures again. If you like that nightmare, hit that like button and subscribe if you want me to survive this series, because next time might be worse.